All right, welcome into the show. Creative Crypto here. Some big news to report today, guys. The Aevo token has gone live for trading on exchanges. It's been listed on Binance and a few other exchanges here. But more importantly, the Aevo airdrop is available to claim. So I'll show you guys how to see how many Aevo tokens you have available to claim and how to claim them if you would like. For me, I'm just waiting because the gas fees on Ethereum are a little too high to do that at this point. And I want to just wait and see how high the Aevo token price can go before I start claiming. Unfortunately, I kind of found out about this airdrop a little bit late, so we kind of missed the first snapshot for the OG users, and we got into the second snapshot, which was the Trading Boost program. So, it's not as good as I would have liked, but it is still something. Hopefully you guys are able to get something as well. So you're going to click on the Aevo button up here, and you should see something that looks like this. Okay, this is their new trading farm where you can trade and basically get farming rewards in Aevo tokens. So I might participate in that. I got some money in here. I kind of got a little reckless at the end of some trades. So when you first look at this, you're probably thinking, well, where's my airdrop? Because it's going to say 0 right here. What you're going to do is click on Claim Aevo Airdrop. It's going to bring up something here. It's going to calculate how many Aevo that you have. It's going to ask you to post on X. You don't actually have to post, just click on it and make sure that your Twitter is linked here, and it'll bring up the post to post, and then it should activate this claim airdrop button. As you can see, I'm getting 29 Aevo, which at a price of $311 is about $90. So not too bad, and I do think that Aevo could potentially do what Uniswap did with their Uni token, to where when the Uni token airdrop first went live, it was trading for around these same prices, $2 to $3 range. And then over a course of a few months, it went up to as high as $20 to $40. And I do think that Aevo could potentially do the same thing. I think a 10x is pretty likely within the next 6 months. So if this 10x is, it's $900, I'll take it. And then at that point, once it gets a little bit higher, I will claim this, because the one issue is that you're going to have to claim on the Ethereum network. So actually make sure that your MetaMask, when you're logged in, you're actually on the Ethereum chain, because that should make your airdrop available as well. So if I went to claim this, it's going to cost about $30 to $40 in gas fees, because the Ethereum network is pretty expensive. So you can see it's going to cost about $28 to claim that, $20 to $28. So at this point, you could claim it. I don't think there's a time limit to claim at this point. I think that they're just leaving it open for now. So once this gets a little bit higher in price, I will claim these, because then I'll be able to sell some back and make up for that gas fee. So, if this thing gets up to $10, I'll probably claim some here, because then that'll be a little more wiggle room to work with at this point. So yeah, just hopefully, you guys were able to get some from the trading volume. I had around 50,000 in trading volume from the boosted trading. And so that got me, as you can see, the 29 tokens. So I started trading basically within a few days that I made the first video on Aevo. So I didn't get started any earlier than most of you guys, if you guys followed my video. So hopefully you're able to get some type of allocation here. It's not the biggest airdrop we're probably going to get here in 2024, but it's probably not going to be the worst one. I do think, like I said, this has the potential to 10x from this point, at least 5 to 10x. So based on that, I think was a success. And then they have their new trading promotion now, where basically it's going to kick you back some Aevo in rewards for doing trades. And this potentially could basically just minimize your trading fees. So when you do trading fees, they basically will give you it back in their token. So basically you can do some free trading here for the next, 6 days or so. So I'll probably do that. I already have some money on here. I just need to tighten up my trading a little bit, because I did get a little risky with some of the trades. So I'll kind of button that up, and yeah, hopefully you can make some more money trading as well. So hopefully you guys got a nice allocation here from Aevo as well. And I just wanted to show you guys how to claim that, because it is a little confusing, because at first I thought I wasn't going to get anything. But if this claim button is here, you just have to follow the steps to go through, and it will calculate how many Aevo tokens that you have to claim. So that's all I had for you guys today in this video. Just want to show you guys how to come in here and check your allocation for Aevo. You know, when these airdrops start going live and available to claim, I'll make videos and show you guys when to do it to make sure that you guys don't miss out and are able to claim your tokens. So if you guys like this, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe for more down below, and until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.